Hey!
We just got a DIXXON Flannel. Or 3. So we're going to unbox these. I guess unbag these. They're in a bag. They're not in a box. So we're going to unbag these DIXXON Flannels and see what they're like and if they are worth the cost. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so today we are unboxing 3 DIXXON Flannels. We decided we wanted to try the flannels out. We don't know much about the DIXXON Flannel company, but we are going to kind of just do a reaction video of what it's like. We're unboxing the Arch Enemy Flannel, which I'm sure you can see over here, and also the Lifeline Flannel. That one's going to be blue, and the Woodsman Flannel, which I believe is a brown and yellow. So see that there. So why don't you do the honors and open it?
Bam. All right. Nice. 3
flannels.
All right. We take a little peek in there. Want to start pulling them out?
Yes. So, whoa.
Okay.
Tag there. This is flannel number 1. And ironically enough, I believe this is the Woodsman Flannel. I can see there is an axe in there. So the Woodsman Flannel. Let's see what they look like. Wow.
Oh, nice. They feel...
Oh, guys, and they did say that the tags are a sticker. So that,
really?
Yes, that is the sticker that you get. If y'all can see that for the Woodsman Flannel. So tell me what you think about this one.
I like it. They actually feel pretty good. I'm a flannel person, and I'm pretty picky about flannels. This one doesn't feel too thick, in my opinion. I think like this one feels a lot more wintry.
Yeah.
And this one feels like it could kind of be for both.
I love the fact that the sticker is kind of centric to the flannels.
I love that.
So next is the Arch Enemy Flannel. So this flannel is the Arch Enemy one, and it looks like they have a sticker on this one. Let me know in the comments if you guys like that band. I think I've heard a couple songs a long time ago from them, but I'm not really know much. But the tag looks like maybe an album cover in the tag. This is the Lifeline Flannel. It is blue.
I like that one. That one I'll probably end up, hijacking
Stealing
from him.
Look at the logo. I like how the logo is the same color as the flannel.
Wow. And they do feel very nice. I'm glad you got these. I like the tags. I like how the tags are, they're not protruding out of the flannel and hanging in there and just scratching you to pieces.
Yes.
Because that is a nightmare.
Yeah, but look at those colors. Oh my God, guys.
I really like that one. That is nice. Did you show the sticker? Okay,
this is the sticker for the Lifeline one. Which let me know in the comments if you know what that is. It looks like people coming together. Maybe like a ribbon. Like I said, guys, I don't know. I like the tags, though. Those are really nice.
It is very good quality,
in
my opinion. Straight out of the bag.
Yes.
Good quality.
Oh, so the care instructions. I wonder if it tells you.
It should. There should be a label.
Let's see if we can find the care instructions.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, show that.
So it's got these little...
On the inside.
Hold on. On the bottom... What would this be? The bottom left corner.
Wow.
Has a little flap. Not sure what that's about, but...
That's neat.
Interesting. Okay, so he's going to show the blue one on. Let's see. Drum roll. I like this one. It's very nice. It doesn't look like the type of material, like the cottony material. It's going to like bead up. So that's assuring. It's very reassuring. All right. Now for the special release one. Let's go. This one definitely is giving fall vibes.
Yeah.
And this one is a snap. The other ones are button.
I like the snap.
Yeah, this one's nice. I really like that. Definitely giving fall vibes. All right. On for the other one. The last one. I like this one too. This one's interesting.
I bought it because it was red, but I don't know. It's not.
It is definitely red. It's like red and black mixed with like a another type of red. I can't really pinpoint the type of red, but that one's cool too.
So far, I think the blue one's the best.
Yeah, honestly, the blue one blows all of them out of the water.
Look how vibrant these colors are. That's really what sold me on this flannel, guys.
Right here.
Okay.
Should be. Okay. Machine wash cold.
Machine
important.
wash.
Do not do hot water. It's probably going to shrink it.
Yeah.
Also, no bleach, obviously. Tumble dry low, because you don't want this thing bing banging around all in your dryer.
Yeah.
And do not iron. Wow.
Do not iron. Wow.
Don't iron, guys. And it is made in China. So it's actually really nice. I really like these. I might actually get me some.
What? Looks like she's going to get some Dixxons.
Yes.
So, and guys, we have really no idea about this company. We love flannels, both of us. Obviously, we do a lot of outdoors and adventures, and we were looking for something that could hold up to, doing outdoors and filming. And I personally like the Dixxons because of the colors. I thought the colors were really good. So that's why I chose to pick those ones out. But I don't know. We'll have to try them out and put some wear on them and see how.
Especially during this fall. We're in fall right now, so it's about to start getting cold, y'all. And on these hikes and stuff, it gets really cold, and you have to layer.
Yeah.
It doesn't get as cold as other states, but here in Texas, it does reach what I consider cold. So usually I'm layering like 15 layers. So that's just me.
Awesome. All right, guys. Like always, subscribe and like if you like this content. If you want us to do more reviews on clothing, I guess I would consider worked outdoor clothing. So thanks for watching, and you guys have a good day.
Bye, y'all.
Faster car, nothing can break me, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, nothing can break me.